Which of the following is a Java interface for comparing objects? Option A, comparator. Option B, comparable. Option C, comparator interface. Option D, comparable interface. Okay, let's understand all these options one by one. Okay, let's check. Let's check option A first. Option A is comparator. If I talk about the definition, comparator is a functional interface in Java used for custom sorting of objects. It provides a way to define multiple comparison logics. So now we know what is the definition of the comparator. Okay, let me tell you what method this comparator have. Okay, we are going to know about the methods which this comparator has. It contains the method compare to, and in the round bracket it have capital T, which is arguments as O1, capital T argument as O2. Just let me write compare to method. It has capital T O1, capital T O2 object, which compares the object of type T and returns a negative integer if the first object is less than the second, 0 if they are equal. Let me write here also a negative integer if the first object is less than the second, O1 is less than the O2, 0 if they are equal, O1 is equal to O2, a positive integer if the first object is greater than the second, O1 is greater than the O2. If I talk about the usage, you use comparator when you need a custom sorting order different from a natural ordering of object. We are discussing about usage. This is completed. Okay, let me talk about the usage where you can use the comparator. You use comparator when you need a custom sorting order different from natural order of object. Okay, let me explain the code, like how you can write comparator in your code and how you can use comparator in your Java programs. Just let me show you. Like first we create a class name as person. Okay, let me show you public class person. And now you have the curly braces. This is the open curly braces, and inside that we have two attributes of this person, like person's name, which is string type name, and age as a int data type. And here you can write the constructor and other code. Public is static compared to, let me just tell you where you can use this object comparison inside the class. Okay, just let me show you. Public, let me change the color. Public is static comparator, and here we have person. It means comparator is a type person. Then we have the name comparator. Name comparator is equal to, just you can check here, then continue from here, is equal to new comparator. Then we have the person. Then we have round bracket. Then we have again one more curly braces. And inside that, just let me change the color. Inside that, public int compare. Then we have person P1, person P2, then again one more curly braces.